Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your iPhone or iPad is updated and logged into the same Apple ID. This enables seamless HomePod discovery. Place the HomePod within a few feet of your Wi-Fi router and plug it in, then wait for the pulsing white light. Once visible, open the Home app and tap the plus icon, then add accessory. The Home app will scan for the HomePod. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the automated setup process. Once done with accessory discovery, the Home app will offer to transfer your current Wi-Fi network and settings from your iPhone, choose your home network, and enter the password if requested. Make sure you allow the transfer. This is how the HomePod gets your router credentials without manual typing. Also enable location services and home data when asked, because Siri and features like handoff rely on those. While the HomePod applies settings, don't move it. Stable signal ensures a clean connection. You finish the process when the Home app shows that setup is complete and the HomePod appears in your home view. Test it by saying, "Hey Siri, what's the time?" If Siri responds, you're done. If not, reboot the HomePod by unplugging it for 10 seconds, restart your router, then try setup again. Also make sure your network SSID is visible and the HomePod is on a compatible band. If problems persist, check for an ISP outage or reset the HomePod and repeat the pairing steps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.